Hi everyone, my name is Anthony and I'm here today with you to talk about Epicor Kinetic, a game changer in manufacturing ERP systems. So what is Epicor Kinetic? Simply put, it's an enterprise resource planning or ERP system that's designed to empower your business with advanced functionality and features. Imagine having a solution that helps optimize your production, streamline your supply chain, and make data-driven decisions all from a single solution. That's what Epicor Kinetic allows you to do. Now let's talk about the benefits. Epicor helps you maximize your manufacturing operations by helping you track your inventory, optimize your production schedules, and better manage your orders. Epicor also provides real-time production lifecycle monitoring. It allows you to have up-to-the-minute insight into your business performance, empowering you to make informed decisions on the fly. It's a game changer for decision makers. CEOs, CFOs, and other executives can get a bird's eye view into the entire operation. It allows them to look up financial data, monitor KPIs, and ensure the business is on the right track at any moment. Whether you're a small manufacturer or a large enterprise, Epicor Kinetic can help you improve your efficiency, streamline your processes, and ultimately grow your business. Thank you for being with me today. For more information on Epicor Kinetic or anything Epicor ERP, go to ecsolutions.com.